in the car one time, I'm driving, I get to a stop sign. He's in the back, he starts laughing. It sounds evil. He's all, like he knows something I don't know, right? Like he just cut my brake wire. I don't know. I'm like, buddy, what are you doing? And he goes, see that tree? I go, yeah, buddy, it's an elm tree. What about it? And he goes, let's hit it. With these serial killer eyes, just, let's hit it with the car. I can't explain to a 4-year-old the repercussions, right? So we hit this dang tree. So he wasn't allowed to ride with me in the car anymore.